If prompts stress you out, you're going to love this. Leonardo shipped a feature that lets you skip prompt writing and still get polished on brand images and videos. Here's how it works. So here's an example of the different blueprints that are available. You have, product in a dream state, which is great for if you want to highlight certain kind of products. I've seen this used for makeup and cosmetic products as well. And then you have smoke-filled portrait video, a Tuscan cinematic. You have the fundamentals of a ready-made marketing campaign, whether it be for images or it's for video. I'm going to show you how I've actually done a couple of these just as a test. And who knows, I might actually use them whenever I'm thinking of creating any more copy. But they're really fun to use. So let's go ahead and play around with it. So let's say I want a product in dream state blueprint because I have a particular product and I think it'll be great for it. I see a lot of this again in the cosmetics era when they want to really show off and highlight it. So let's go ahead and try that product in dream state. So in order for me to do that, I need to do the image. So I'm going to choose an image. And here's a product image I've uploaded that is of a champagne. So what it's going to do is it's actually going to take that image and put it in this state along with the necessary colors or the complementary colors. So it's not going to be, green and I guess light green. This is going to reflect the colors of your campaign or of the product. So go ahead and generate. And it says it's actually going to generate the background and it's going to show up in my generations. So we'll get back to that when it's done. Another fun one that you can do is if you have a video that you wanted to make really cinematic and just make it incredibly dramatic. So what we can do is we're going to grab a video or we're going to grab an image from something that I've already generated just to play around with it. Let me try this one because this is an image I did a while ago, and I'm not sure how the black and white will work with this, but let's go ahead and play around with it anyway. So I've confirmed that. This one's going to cost $490. So this is not something you can do on a free. I don't know that this is actually Blueprint is actually available to free users. I know that as a paid user, I have access to it. So if you don't see it available to you guys who are using it for free, then just know that you're going to have to purchase a subscription to actually get access to it. And again, this is generating in the background. So we'll take a look at that whenever it's done. So again, you have a whole load of these different templates that you can play around with for your product images, for your videos and highlights. It's ready-made and you don't have to do too much work, except maybe if you wanted to do a specific image in a video and you wanted to just do it yourself. I have a tutorial on how I actually turned images and text into video in one prompt with Leonardo. It's actually going to be linked up here. Let's take a look at how these images came out. It should be ready by now. So this is the image. As you can see here, let's actually blow it up a little bit. It is perfect, and it actually has unleashed the heat, indulged it with cooler, and the text is absolutely spot on in the image. And you can see here that it just really highlights the product in a fantastically elegant way. The next one that I have here is this image where I asked for a cinematic video. So let's go ahead and take a look. It's actually pretty good, but it came out as an image, which I was expecting it to come out as a video. So I guess from this you can create a video. But I love the fact that it actually it took the image, the black and white image, and just colored it up. And then now you're able to translate that into a video. So I'm going to actually go cinematic, Tuscan video, and I'm going to do like a dolly pull out. Actually, since I'm in motion too fast, we're going to go ahead and do motion control and do something like, I think, yes. So we're going to do a dolly out for this particular motion control. I'm turning head towards the landscape, and then we're going to generate and see how it turns out. Okay, so here is the finished product, and it looks absolutely beautiful and elegant. So again, Blueprints is basically just templates that you can play around with. With this particular one, I thought it was actually it came as a video, so I wasn't sure how it would come out, but apparently you do need to add video elements to it. It could be that this is not ready. It could be that's how it is. I'm not completely sure. I haven't used this one yet. I have used others, but I wanted to try this one out live with you guys to show you what I had to do. Perhaps I missed something. Don't know. Yeah, so play around with really with Leonardo's blueprints with your product images and all the other assets you may have and have fun with it. Give it a little bit of pop so that it gets people's attention and you can go ahead and just work it. So thanks for your time and I'll see you guys in the next video.